fucking thing's in the way right here.
Hold that damn thing don't bust.
Well, keep my foot on. I'm just trying to hold it there to where.
And be some bullshit right now.
What?
If you want to crank that bitch up and that thing right there exploded.
Exploded?
Yeah.
The battery?
No, stupid this.
Why would it explode? Ready?
That motor heard you, he way down there.
You smell the battery.
Dude, that was so close. His hands were right here.
Huh? What do you think? The one cranking his own bitch?
Stop it.